In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get shipping on Alibaba. First, head to alibaba.com and log in. In the search bar, type the product you're looking for, then apply two helpful filters: Trade Assurance and Ready to Ship. Trade Assurance is Alibaba's built-in buyer protection, and Ready to Ship usually means faster processing. Open a product listing that matches what you need. Some listings will display shipping details automatically, while others require confirmation from the supplier, so don't worry if you don't see a price right away. On the product page, scroll down to the shipping section, enter your country or region, choose the quantity you want, and review the options shown. You'll typically see the shipping method, an estimated delivery time, and a shipping cost if it's available. Treat these numbers as estimates. Larger quantities, remote locations, or special handling can change the final price. If you see "to be negotiated" for shipping, you'll need to request a quote directly from the supplier. Use the Chat Now or Contact Supplier button to message them. Ask for the shipping cost to your country, the available shipping methods, the expected delivery times, and whether you'll receive a tracking number. Confirm whether the delivery is door-to-door or port-to-port, and share your destination details like city, postal code, and whether it's a residential or business address. You can also ask if duties and taxes are included or paid on delivery, so there are no surprises. Next, choose a shipping method based on your order size and timeline. Couriers like DHL, FedEx, and UPS are best for small orders or samples and are the fastest, but they can be pricey. Air freight suits medium-sized orders with moderate speed and cost. Sea freight is the most economical for bulk or heavy shipments, but takes the longest. If you're new and want a streamlined experience, consider Alibaba Logistics, which bundles freight options and provides support. Keep in mind that courier and air rates often use volumetric weight, so bulky items can cost more even if they're light. When you're ready, ask the supplier to create a trade assurance order with shipping included. Make sure the total price includes the shipping cost and that the shipping method and estimated delivery timeline are clearly listed in the order details. Review everything carefully before you pay. Always pay inside Alibaba for protection. After payment, go to My Orders to see updates and track your shipment using the tracking number provided. Tracking can take a day or two to activate. If it doesn't update, message the supplier within Alibaba so every